Hello everyone, I know it's been a while since my last post here in YouTube. It was a busy year for me last year. Like, I left Korea, I stayed in the Philippines for a couple of months, and then now I'm here based in the US and settled in my new apartment. And I decided to build a new PC, and this case is the first to arrive from Amazon. It's a microATX case from BitFenix. So yeah, let's go. So let me give you guys a tour of my room. So I've been here in the US for around 6 months, and when I arrived here I bought this second-hand laptop. It's a gaming laptop from 2014, and got this LED monitor, keyboard and mouse, and I also got this gaming chair, like for gaming stuff and also for working, of course. And I have this 32-inch TV in my room. So this one is attached to a monitor mount. Unfortunately, the monitor arm can support the weight of this TV, so it rotates. Like, I can watch from my bed, and I can also watch from my chair. So here's my nightstand. So I'll be using my old 1060 6GB. So this is a Zotac GTX 1060 6GB, the one I've been using when I was in Korea. So I'm planning to upgrade my video card next year, maybe buy a 4060 or 4060 Ti. And I have this DDR4 memory with me for a while, and I'll be using this 16GB kit from G.Skill. And here's the PC case, and I will unbox it later when the other components arrive. So I unboxed the case, and this is how it will look like after I finished assembling the PC. So my package from Amazon finally arrived, and I will show you guys what's inside. So the case, the RAM, and the GPU are already here. Alright, so what do we have here? So this one is definitely an extra. So it's an Amazfit band. Want to replace my old band, and I got here the CPU, an AMD Ryzen 5600G. It's a 6-core 12-thread CPU. It got an integrated graphics, but the thing is, I already have like an old graphics card there, so I will use it for a while waiting to buy a new one, hopefully next year. For the motherboard, I got the B550M DS3H AC. a B550 chipset motherboard from Gigabyte. Oh, this is just the speaker. 2.0 speaker. 2.0 channel speaker. For the PSU, 600 watt 80 plus PSU from EVGA. And finally, the CPU cooler. It's an AIO from Thermalright. Yeah, from Thermalright. So it's a 240mm AIO cooler with some RGB blinks on it. And then yeah, time to unbox all of this. Oh, and I forgot the SSD. It's a 1TB NVMe SSD from TEAMGROUP. So unfortunately, it's just a Gen 3 SSD because my CPU only supports my CPU only supports Gen 3 SSD. So I need a newer AMD CPU if I wanted to run Gen 4. But as far as I know, this motherboard is already capable of supporting Gen 4 SSD. So yeah, let's do the build. Yeah, so I finished building the computer, but unfortunately I need to organize the cables behind. It's really messy out there, and I need to reroute these cables at least inside. So yeah, it's working well. Like, it got detected in the BIOS, the motherboard information, CPU. For now I'm using the integrated graphics, and I will install this one later. And the 16GB RAM is also detected, and also the boot drive. So later I will install Windows and finalize the build. And I also got this monitor mount, so I will put this one and attach the monitor to it, then put those two speakers there, and it's basically done. So you can see here the monitor mount, then the speakers. Time for the obligatory peel off. Alright. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.